Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. What are the 5 truths which your insurance agents will never tell you irrespective of what the situation is? In this video, we'll discuss about them in detail. So without a further ado, let's get to the point. The number one misleading thing which the insurance agent in most cases do is that they will always recommend you about endowment plans, and they will always tell you that endowment plans are much more better than any other kind of insurance plans that are available. But the truth is you should always go for a plan which is not an endowment plan, because you should never mix your insurance and investment together. Insurance is a separate thing. You can treat it as an expense, and investment is something which can be used for wealth creation. And giving an example of insurance, I'll just give you a very small lame example over here. For example, if you live in an apartment and if there is a security guard who is sitting at the entrance gate of an apartment, and like you basically are paying for the security just because he takes care of any of the misfortunes, if at all, if anything happens. I mean, if at all any burglar comes in, if at all any thief comes in. So security guard is to take care of that aspect. And suppose you're paying like that security guard every month as like a salary, and by chance if there is no burglary that happens in your apartment, by chance there is no thief that trespasses your apartment premise, that doesn't mean that you can go and hit the security guard saying that you have taken the the salary for waste and you have not done your duty properly. That's not how it works. So basically, insurance is just like that. Insurance is basically like an expense, which you can treat as an expense as well. And you should never mix your insurance and investment. A lot of times when we go for endowment plans, we end up paying more premiums. And the insurance agents will also recommend you to take up endowment plans, because in endowment plans, they get more commissions compared to the regular term insurance plans. So it's always better to keep insurance and investment as two different entities and never take up an endowment or a unit linked plus plan. The next thing which the insurance agents will never disclose is they will never disclose about their commissions, and they'll always tell you that they are getting very minimal commission in every particular like a policy that they sign up with a respective customer. But the truth is that they will be paid a very hefty commission for every single person they sign up, and they will always recommend you the policies that they will find more suitable or more profitable in terms of getting more commission. So you should never listen to the insurance agent blindly. Always do your own personal homework, do your own research, talk to a couple of people, talk to your seniors, talk to your mentors, do your own research, compare the different kinds of plans that are available, and then you should choose any particular insurance plan, and then you should take up a plan which basically, if at all you're choosing an insurance agent's help, you can always choose a plan which you find interesting or profitable according to your profile, rather than listening to your insurance agent blindly. The third thing which the insurance agents will never reveal to you is they will never tell you about term insurance. They'll always say that term insurance is like a waste of money. It's just an expense on your pocket, and if at all you die, only then you'll be able to get the benefits of it. But the truth is, term insurance is much more better than any other kind of insurance, because term insurance is not just cheap, it is cheap on your pocket, and the premiums amount are also very, very less, and the claim settlement ratio in most cases are very, very high, which means that even if something happens to you tomorrow, your family will be much more secure compared to any other kind of plans. And also, if you take up a term insurance at a much more earlier age, the premium amounts also go a little more less. The intensity or the size of the premium also reduces. So the sooner you take up a term insurance, the better you'll be able to benefit yourself and your family in the long run. But the insurance agents will never tell you about it, because they will not get good commission, because since the premium amount here is very minimal, so they will never recommend you a term insurance. But the truth is, term insurance is much more better compared to any other kind of life insurance that you will ever take in your life. The fourth thing which the insurance agents will never tell you is that they will never recommend or suggest you to apply online, although the process of applying online is very, very simple. It's very, very easy. It's just like making an account in a social media platform. But the insurance agent will always mislead you, will always misguide you. They'll tell you that it's very complicated. If at all you have any problems, you'll not be able to, get in touch with the right kind of person, because the company will not take care of you much, and you will be basically in trouble. But the truth is, if you take up insurance online, you will be able to save a lot more money, because the entire policy becomes much more cheaper. Because even for the company, the insurance company, that entire process is much more cost effective now, because they don't have to take care of the operation cost, they don't have to take care of the insurance agent's salary and his commission. And that's the reason why even the companies will suggest you these days to take up an insurance online. And also, if at all you have any questions, any doubts, any queries, you can always call up their customer care helpline. You can always reach them on email or their social networking platform, and definitely they will be happy to help you out with all your queries and concerns. And it is much more better if you apply online compared to applying offline via an insurance agent. And the last and the most amazing aspect which the insurance agents will never tell you is that they will never recommend you to pay your premiums via bulk or sizable amount. I mean, they will always tell you to pay the premiums as monthly, because that's how they will be able to make more profits. They will be able to make more commission and more revenue out of your profile, rather than if you pay your premiums once in a year, or maybe twice in a year, or maybe 4 times in a year via the quarterly platform. In that way, you will be able to save a lot more money, because you are like helping the company to get more revenue at one shot itself, and that's how the size of the entire premium also comes down a little. But the insurance agents will never tell you about that. They'll always recommend you to take up the monthly thing, and that's how they will make more revenue out of it. But the truth is, I'll just tell you my profile. For example, I'm 25 years old and I've taken up a life insurance, a basic term insurance, which basically will give me a cover until I turn 80. So instead of paying till my age 80, I'm just going to pay this particular insurance until the next 12 years, which is until I turn 37-ish. So basically, I will be able to save a lot more money. I'll be almost able to save close to like 1.5 lakh rupees on the entire premium size amount. And that's how I am making a lot more savings in my term insurance as well. So you should also always check whether you can save a lot more money if at all you pay this particular term insurance premiums in one shot, or maybe in the least possible number of frequencies, so that you can save a lot more money and use that particular money for any other investment purposes. So if you found this video informative, please leave your feedbacks in the comment section, and also let us know your thoughts as well. And if you haven't downloaded the Financial Freedom app, please do download it as well. The link of this app is provided in the description box. My name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.